Fountainhead was created as a way to invest in startup companies, entrepreneur ideas, and passionate inventors who had ideas they wanted to bring to market. And we were hoping to help them financially and support their commercialization of product. At first, it was just a way to provide them financial resources, give them support they needed. And then over time, we just found that more was needed. They need human resources, intellectual capital, and not just financial capital. With Fountainhead, we've invested in a couple of different companies, startup companies that we have found were really interesting. We thought had great products, innovation, concepts, and ideas. We noticed a big gap in what a lot of these really passionate entrepreneurs were looking for and trying to accomplish versus where we thought they were in their commercialization timeline, their funding timeline, their funding readiness. In order to bridge that gap, we came up with the idea of Watershed Idea Foundry. Watershed is an idea foundry created by Fountainhead Investment Partners that is focused on biomedical growth and innovation. Watershed's purpose is to forge promising ideas into viable intellectual property and products ready for the marketplace, ultimately creating profitable businesses. The Foundry provides an environment where talent and innovation are funded, nurtured, and guided to create a turning point for ideas. We're lucky enough that we had the resources available to help somebody make that transition, to help bridge the gap from 1. Where they think they are in the process of getting their idea to market, and 2. Where we think they are. Watershed has solved the problem that we think a lot of venture capital funding groups are having, which is bridging the gap between inventor entrepreneurs' expectations and the venture capital expectation. We've been able to shepherd a lot of products through commercialization. We've been able to help people get things done usually quicker than they could do it on their own, with considerably less financial resources it'll require. Watershed's standpoint is, we've seen several products come out that ended up being portfolio companies. One of our examples would be Envision Biomedical Technologies, which is now a portfolio company of ours. It is fully operational and successful medical device company. What we believe at Fountainhead is this: there's a lot of innovation out there, a lot of people who have great ideas. We think that all needs should be evaluated, but Fountainhead's goal is to find the innovation that's out there that we think has the best chance of success and put it out in front of people, where hopefully it will do some good. We hope we can bring as much innovation to the market as possible.